Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jiang and today I'll teach you how to make Mocha Granola. It's full of nutrition, it's perfect for your breakfast and fun snack. Every time it's really yummy snack. Get ready, let's start it. This recipe makes 1 kg in total, which sounds like a lot, but I think you'll find it's gone fast. The granola coated in chocolate, crispy, crunchy, like music for your mouth. You'll certainly feel happy when you bite into it. I use measured cup for this recipe. The following ingredients are 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of quinoa flax, 1 cup of puffed quinoa. The puffed quinoa is really great. 1/2 cup of sleeve almonds, 1/2 cup of sliced coconut, 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/2 cup of flax seeds, 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of cocoa nibs, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix the ingredients together. It's almost there. I know it's a lot. Add 1/2 cup of canned sugar. If you don't have canned sugar, you can use regular white sugar. Spread the mix evenly on a baking tray. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of cocoa butter or use coconut oil. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes, depending on the heat of your oven. I bake for 10 minutes, then stir aside the contents and rotate the trays to the granola. Bake evenly. Then add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 package of vanilla powder. It's great in the kitchen. It smells so nice. I add another 10 minutes. When the granola should become golden brown. Here you go. They bake beautiful. Now, time to add the chocolate. I use 1 cup of 70% chocolate. You can use any percent of chocolate, but keep in mind milk chocolate or white chocolate will add a lot of extra sugar. I wait for the mix cool down slightly. While the tray is still warm, stir in the chocolate. The chocolate will melt slowly into the mix and help form the crunchy granola clusters. It's amazing. Ooh, so good. Then, last but not least, add 1 teaspoon of ground espresso, or add more if you like. I prefer use decaf espresso, so I can stamp the granola anytime instead of breakfast only. And that's it. Enjoy it. Well, it's ready for nutritious breakfast.